Take a look at this. Good job.
Tracy Bonham for Mother Mother.
I'm starving, I'm bleeding to death.
Garbage for Stupid Girl. Jewel for Who Will Save Your Soul.
Oh, save your souls after those lies that you told, boy.
Alanis Morissette for Ironic.
Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day.
Alanis Morissette, Ironic!
Thank you. Is Stefan said, now we here tonight by any chance? It was Stefan's idea, and he's a brilliant director, and I'd love to work with him again. It was a lot of fun. I just somehow wish that shows like this could be less about competition and more about the acknowledgement and acceptance and celebration of our artistic differences. So maybe someday it will. Thanks a lot.